These are soft textile RFID laundry tag, perfect for sewing into rolled hems. These tags are lightweight and flexible, designed for the hem sections of garments. Prepare the sewing machine. Pay attention not to stitch through the metal wire or chip in the tag. Place the tag into the hem and stitch carefully, making sure to avoid the chip or metal components. Sewing is complete. The tag is securely attached without affecting the internal components. Here's a slow-motion recap of the initial sewing steps. After sewing, tie the thread and cut off the remaining thread. Finally, tie off the thread and trim the excess.